Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of I Hope You Are Really Happy, chapter 16. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to you, Shao. Susing. I think, even if it's a housekeeping aunt, it is not very good to see the mess at home. People will say that the little girls look decent, the family is really dirty. Well, now, Susing was looking at her. Maybe she has some point on her. But Susing, she is typically a rich girl who looks like who doesn't care about this matter. Of course, someone's doorbelling. Yushao, she stood up and happily wants to welcome a cleaning auntie today. Well, for Susing, she was only watching hers. After a while, she was giving her slippers. Auntie, you can wear the slippers. Hey, the old lady seems to be happy. Yushao, she seems to be polite on elderly. Well, let's see. Auntie said I will clean the upstairs first. Susing answered and said, Thank you, Auntie. Now she seems to be busy reading the books. But for Yushao right now, she's been busy also fixing something. But now, it makes sense to Susing. What? Yushao, suddenly, she was looking at Susing. Well, it turns out that her nickname can be so ambiguous. As if was born, she should be called out by the cold and meaningful voice. Now, look at her. She was blushing. But Susing, she closed the book and said, This is my aunt's shop. She is not guest at our house. Oh, the terms our house has been used. Well, for now. They, home. Yusha was thinking, I do live here now. Susing is called my home, but also I am not suitable to call my home. Well, probably she was really shy about this. Although Susing is cold, it has a sense of distance and occasionally it's uncomfortable because I am being in close contact with her. She is very calm about this, about many things. The first time I discovered this was on the Friday night. Now, she remember about the party, right? Of course, the two of them will go through. Now, it was Susing, still on the house. Can you put these things in? Put it in. So it turns out, and Susing says that she doesn't have any friends. These things are filed up fast. Otherwise, I'll help you dismantle it. You just gave some gifts, right? Susing said to her things for valuables. Yushao said to her. Now, looking at her, she looks really cute. Of course, she is really excited to open the gifts that sent someone to Susing. But of course, she seems to be excited and also got curious. What is this? It was a good fragrant. So it turns out it was a cologne. Something like that. Yushao, she was really excited to open the box. Wow, I didn't expect that to be so. On the market, it seems custom dolls. It's also sent to Susing. What is this? It's so cute. And her heart is really thumping. This turns out to be a small toy. Shouldn't be this a gift? Could it be that Susing bought it for himself? It seems to be confused, right? But she continued to do this. Suddenly, it was Susing who suddenly came up. Do you want to drink water? Susing said to her. Now she got really fussed. Looking at herself, she is really shy about this. What's wrong? Susing is asking her. But Yushao, is this also your birthday present? Looking at her, she really seems to be feel awkward. Now, it really makes sense. Susing, she was looking at it and said, huh? Definitely she know about this. And also, what kind of things are already inside? Susing suddenly said to her, I helped to promote it. Last time it was said that the France sent the product. Had be used then, considered she sent it to me. But it shouldn't be it. Say it so calmly. See what's the use. What? Now, you shall. She got really surprised. Use it to see what you. I don't need to. Susing said to her. Now, it really makes sense. Well, you shall. But for Susing, now, after arriving, she seems to be tired. Her face is turning red. Susing, she really looks cool on that dress. Of course, she seems to be feeling hot. With Susing's fitness for the far and the familiarity of the wine, she is no need to come to the far to observe. It's me who doesn't come to the far very much, that's why she is unfamiliar. Oh, the far out, yes. No one cares about me and Susing. Is it right? It seems that I am really slippery as the dog-headed military advisors to Susing. Now, she seems to be confused. Can only order this for the low consumptions of the deck. What should I do? Or are we comparing the size of the dice? The two of them still talking. Look, although now the popular of the internet, that kind of girl, short hair in this bar is still more quite popular. Yes, I thought you would be popular in the far. She was used to see that a small toy will still be calm, will still be a self-sustaining, will there be an empty tenderness? You shall. She kept questioning herself. How can I have such an idea? It is too disrespectful to the people. She is relying like a rabbit, occasionally has a habit of grinding her teeth. Two of them are really observing each other. There are similar descriptions in the original novel that I read for the project yesterday. Yusha said to herself, now she's been comparing this. On the novel, at a certain moment, the heroine will also, by the corner of her mouth, involuntarily, and the other heroine will reach out to gently help her to let her go. She thought that she was saving her, but yes, it's the person who reaches out. Well, it turns out she really remembers what's on the novel. I want to be the one who let go of her lips for her. But seeing that she doesn't have any extra reactions to the coming, the less it's make my outrageous thoughts to seem redundant. Now, after a while of thinking, she put down the glass of wine on the table. It seems that Susing suddenly surprised about her action. When I read the novel, it seems that the bathroom will be a little more exciting. I want to take a look. Can you accompany me? Oh, is she really going to be tricky? Let's see. Hey guys, thanks for the support. Thank you for joining membership today. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.